Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows 11 is up to date and your laptop is plugged in. This prevents power profiles from forcing high brightness. Next, open Settings, choose System then Display so you're in the right panel. Once there, look for Change Brightness Automatically and switch it off. Make sure Adaptive Brightness or sensor-based controls are disabled. If you have a dedicated graphics control panel, keep it closed for now so brightness changes come from Windows settings first. You'll now tackle drivers and power settings because outdated drivers often cause high brightness. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters and Monitors, right-click and update driver for each. Restart if prompted. Once done, open your GPU control panel, Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD, and ensure no color or brightness overrides are set. Make changes there if needed. Finally, in Settings Power and Battery, select Balanced. Then use the Display Brightness slider to set a comfortable level so hardware and software match. You finish by calibrating and isolating remaining problems. Run Windows Display Color Calibration to fine-tune gamma and brightness so colors stay accurate. If brightness remains too high, open Device Manager and roll back the display driver to the prior version. This often undoes a bad update. Make sure to restart the system after changes. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is forcing brightness. That will tell you whether to uninstall the offending application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.